If you're looking for help fixing your General Motors automobile, look no further. Our comprehensive General Motors automobile error code guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. P1031. HO2S heater current monitor control circuit senses 1. P1032. HO2S heater warm-up control circuit senses 1. P1105. Secondary vacuum sensor circuit. P1106. MAP sensor circuit intermittent high voltage. P1107. MAP sensor circuit intermittent low voltage. P1108. Bar to MAP sensor circuit comparison too high. P1109. Secondary port throttle system. P1111. Intake air temperature IAT sensor circuit intermittent high voltage. P1112. Intake air temperature IAT sensor circuit intermittent low voltage. P1113. Intake resonance switchover valve circuit. P1114. Engine coolant temperature ECT sensor circuit intermittent low voltage. P1115. Engine coolant temperature ECT sensor circuit intermittent high voltage. P1116. ECT signal unstable or intermittent. P1117. Engine coolant temp signal out of range low. P1118. Engine coolant temp signal out of range high. P1119. ECT signal out of range with TFT sensor. P1120. Throttle position TP sensor 1 circuit. P1121. TP sensor circuit intermittent high voltage. P1122. TP sensor circuit intermittent low voltage. P1125. Accelerator pedal position app system. P1130. HO2S circuit low variance bank 1 sensor 1. P1131. HO2S circuit low variance bank 1 sensor 2. P1132. H02S circuit low variance bank 2 sensor 1. P1133. HO2S insufficient switching. P1134. HO2S transition time ratio. P1135. HO2S lean average bank 1 sensor 1. P1136. HO2S rich average bank 1 sensor 1. P1137. HO2S bank 1 sensor 2 lean or low voltage. P1138. HO2S bank 1 sensor 2 rich or high voltage. P1139. HO2S insufficient switching bank 1 sensor 2. P1140. HO2S transition time ratio bank 1 sensor 2. P1141. HO2S bank 1 sensor 2 average voltage level. P1143. HO2S bank 1 sensor 3 lean or low voltage. P1144. HO2S bank 1 sensor 3 rich or high voltage. P1145. HO2S cross counts bank 1 sensor 3. P1153. HO2S insufficient switching. P1154. HO2S transition time ratio. P1155. HO2S lean average bank 2 sensor 1. P1156. HO2S rich average bank 2 sensor 1. P1157. HO2S bank 2 sensor 2 lean system or low voltage. P1158. HO2S bank 2 sensor 2 rich or high voltage. P1159. HO2S cross counts bank 2 sensor 2. P1161. HO2S heater power stage circuit bank 2 sensor 2. P1163. HO2S bank 2 sensor 3 lean system or low voltage. P1164. HO2S bank 2 sensor 3 rich or high voltage. P1165. HO2S cross counts bank 2 sensor 2. P1170. Bank-to-bank fuel trim offset. P1171. Fuel system lean during acceleration. P1185. Engine oil temperature circuit. P1186. EOT circuit performance. P1187. EOT sensor circuit low voltage. P1188. EOT sensor circuit high voltage. P1189. Engine oil pressure switch circuit. P1190. Engine vacuum leak. P1191. Intake air duct air leak. P1200. Injector control circuit. P1201. Alternative fuel gas mass sensor circuit range. Performance. P1202. Alternative fuel gas mass sensor circuit low frequency. P1203. Alternative fuel gas mass sensor circuit high frequency. P1211. Mass airflow circuit intermittent high. P1212. Mass airflow circuit intermittent low. P1214. Injection pump timing offset. P1215. Ground fault detection indicated. P1216. Fuel solenoid response time too short. P1217. Fuel solenoid response time too long. P1218. Injection pump calibration circuit. P1219. Throttle position sensor reference voltage. P1220. Throttle position TP sensor 2 circuit. P1221. Throttle position TP sensor 1-2 correlation. P1222. Injector control circuit intermittent. P1225. Injector circuit cylinder 2 intermittent. P1228. Injector circuit cylinder 3 intermittent. P1231. Injector circuit cylinder 4 intermittent. P1234. Injector circuit cylinder 5 intermittent. P1237. Injector circuit cylinder 6 intermittent. P1240. Injector circuit cylinder 7 intermittent. P1243. Injector circuit cylinder 8 intermittent. P1245. Intake plenum switchover valve. P1250. Early fuel evaporation heater circuit. P1257. Supercharger system over boost. P1258. Engine coolant over temperature protection mode active. P1260. Last test failed SCC or theft detected. Vehicle immobilized. P1270. Accelerator pedal position sensor AD converter error. P1271. App sensor 1-2 performance. P1272. Accelerator pedal position sensor 2. P1273. Accelerator pedal position sensor 1. P1274. Injectors wired incorrectly. P1275. Accelerator pedal position app sensor 1 circuit. P1276. Accelerator pedal position app sensor 1 performance. P1277. Accelerator pedal position sensor 1 circuit low voltage. P1278. Accelerator pedal position sensor 1 circuit high voltage. P1280. Accelerator pedal position app sensor 2 circuit. P1281. Accelerator pedal position app sensor 2 performance. P1282. Accelerator pedal position sensor 2 circuit low voltage. P1283. Accelerator pedal position sensor 2 circuit high voltage. P1285. Accelerator pedal position app sensor 3 circuit. P1286. Accelerator pedal position app sensor 3 performance. P1287. Accelerator pedal position sensor 3 circuit low voltage. P1288. Accelerator pedal position sensor 3 circuit high voltage. P1300. Igniter circuit. P1305. Ignition coil 2 primary feedback circuit. P1310. Ignition coil 3 primary feedback circuit. P1315. Ignition coil 4 primary feedback circuit. P1320. IC module 4X ref circuit intermittent. No pulses. P1321. Electronic ignition system fault line. P1322. EI system or ignition control missing. P1323. 24X reference circuit low frequency. P1324. Crank RPM too low.